Hello, my beautiful wildflowers. How are you today? Alexis here with Modesty. Well, it is Monday again, Mask Monday, ladies. And today I want to share with you two things, a eye mask and the face mask, the sheet mask that I received from the pharmacy. So if you're interested in seeing how they work out, just stay tuned. Okay, welcome back, my beautiful wildflowers. It's been a great weekend for me. It's been really sunny, but not too hot. And I hope you guys had a good weekend as well. And especially if you're watching this on a Monday. So anyway, as I was saying, today for Mask Monday Ladies Collaborative, I have two masks. I want to go ahead and use this eye mask. It's called the Golden Eye Mask by Soon, which I received in my Glossybox a while back. And I like to get this used, as well as my pharmacy hydrating mask that I received in my pharmacy box from the AIA, which is the American Influencer Beauty Box. And so I want to go ahead and give you some feedback on that. But before I do that, I want to let you know today I am also going to be cutting out and inserting the winner of the collab giveaway. And if you remember, this is a collaborative that I did with Opinionated Horsewoman, and it was a Juneteenth one. Okay, and the keyword was Juneteenth. So I hope you guys were able to see that and go ahead and, get in on a giveaway. And so I will cut out and do that, okay? And before, okay, first things first, as usual, is our daily affirmations. And as you know, I think this is the third video I say this, but just in case you missed the other ones, we are in a new box. And this is the affirmation cards for women. And if you want to know about this card, it's in my it's in one of my videos, and I'll try to drop it below so you can see the very first one. And I give you the history of this and the creator. So, okay, without further ado, let's see what we got today to think about. So, and this is pretty appropriate because it is early morning here. So, good way to get started. So, okay, pretty colors. And I like the pastel vibe that this creator used. The other one was very bright, and that's nice too. But these, unlike the other ones, do not come with the questions in the back. So it's an open book, and it's up to you guys to figure it out, okay? Which is good, because we had a whole 60 cards prior to this giving you prompts. So what does it say? It says, there is a unique strength within me that will see me through my hardest days, okay? So again, there is a unique strength within me that will see me through my hardest days. And I know you guys get tired of this, but I like the card. But I like all the affirmations, right? But I especially like things when it speaks to strength and what we have within us, because it makes us really think about how strong we really are. I mean, think about it. I mean, look at where you are in life, regardless if you're in a good times right now or the bad times, doesn't matter, but you got to where you are, and you had to have some kind of strength to get there. What is that strength, right? And what you need to do is figure that out and really capitalize on that strength, because we all have them. And the weakest person in the world still has strength within them. Take it and capitalize on it. That is so important. And there are opportunities out there. Capitalize on that too by using your strength. And so this is a good one. There is a unique strength within me that will see me through the hardest days. I mean, it's saying that you do have strength, right? But now it's up to you to figure out what is that strength. And think to yourself, how can I capitalize on it? How can I use my strength to get through yet another day and actually give me an opportunity to do something different, something greater, or whatever your wishes may be at the time, right? And so, good card. So I'm going to go ahead and show you this, because I know some of you are screenshotting this. So there you go. And also, if I don't hold it up long enough, you can always pause the video and screenshot it. But, you probably know that, but sometimes these things are missed on me, so I figure I'll mention it. So, okay, my beautiful wildflowers, let me just get this put away, because I want to keep it orderly, so that way I can keep the cards nice. And so one day, yeah, it'll go to somebody, I think. Yeah. So anyway, as I was saying, I have two different masks, which is the eye mask, which is by Soon. And let's see, does it say, the only problem is these print, not only small, but they're like really bright. And so it's all about the bling. And what it says is a 24 karat eye hydrogel eye patches to add moisture to the areas that's needed most under the eyes. And it's called Soon Skincare Golden Eye. And some of you might have gotten this in your box too. And if you did, and if you used it, tell me what you think, okay? And then above that, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and cover that with my Pharmacy Hydrating Coconut Gel Sheet Mask. Oh my God, you know, this sounds like I should put it on and like go outside, you know, under an umbrella and just kind of like enjoy the sun like I'm on vacation. Coconut gel. I just like that. There you go. And this actually came in my Pharmacy box, which is the American Influencers bundle that I received. And so I've been dying to use it. I'm glad I have a chance to. But let me tell you a little about that. This is with hyaluronic acid. And it's a coconut water derived sheet mask that delivers ultra hydrating cucumber and hyaluronic acid for an instantly healthy looking glow. Sheer translucent mask, huge skin to maximize hugs skin to maximize beneath of superfood ingredients. So the directions for this is, of course, you have to remove the blue protective mesh. I'm glad it says that because sometimes I miss that piece and leave it all on. I don't know if it makes a difference, but yeah. And then once on the face, remove other layer of blue protective mesh. Okay, so it must be two-sided. Then leave mask on for 10 to 15 minutes for best results. Remove mask and massage any essence into the skin. Ooh, essence. I like essence. So anyway, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and put the eye patch on first. And these tend to be kind of like gel-like, but never like really wet. And they're not. Again, it comes like this. You see, this is kind of cute. It has a little, like, it's in a little container here. And then what I'll do is I will take another sheet. I like that. It's really nice and protected. So that way, ooh, it's jelly-like. And so I will go ahead and I think it will go this way, right? Yeah. So I will go like this. Okay. Or would it go the other way? Nope, it will go the other way. In case. Okay. And it does not have fragrance from what I can tell. But then again, this is like kind of like a little gel patch, so I don't think there would be a lot of fragrance to begin with. It smells like what? A little bit, kind of like a coconut also. Yep. Oh, the theme of coconuts. Okay, that's that. And then next what I will do, and I like the fact that it's not like soaking wet because I don't like things really runny. But that's okay because I think this is going to be pretty juicy. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to kind of, because it is like right up to the top and I don't want to tear the sheet mask. Okay, and ooh, yeah, it is quite juicy. I do have a towel on standby in case. And it says to remove, okay, here it is. It looks like this. And this is quite, I can tell, this is short and stout. Okay, so I'll go ahead and remove one side. Nice, okay. That came out easy. It has a very clean scent to it, by the way. And it is a little bit, kind of like a gel, slimy gel, but not too bad. And I'm just going to go ahead and before I do that, I'm going to go ahead and release the other side. And easier said than done, I think. But let's see. Nope, here we go. Oh my goodness, this is like gel. Oh, you know what? This is not like a sheet of paper, but sheet of gel. Okay, here we go. This is actually a very nice mask. I gotta say, this is probably one of the best sheet mask textures I've dealt with. Okay, and let's adjust this. Make sure the nose gets covered. I'm gonna go ahead, and at this point, it's up to you. I don't really use like a roller. I do have them, but I don't use them for that. And you can if you want, and you want to just go ahead and roll this for a little while to give it a massage, and that's always your option. And so, yep. And it feels like the side that's on me, which is the outside is a little bit more textured, but the part that I put on my face, which had the half of the blue covering, is jelly-like. So, yeah. So I'm convinced that I do have it on correctly. And then, so let's do that. And then, you guys know I like to cover with silicone. And not only the fact that it keeps things in place, but it also actually traps the heat, I think, because when I take it off, I mean, right now, I keep these in a refrigerator, and right now, it does feel quite cold, but once I take it off, it's actually quite warm. And so now I will pull this side, and this is always a trick. I know I don't do a whole lot of sheet mask on Mask Mondays. It's because of this reason. It's a little bit logistical when I'm having all this on, but I do use it when I'm at home and I'm not filming. And that's when I usually use it. So, okay, and okay, it's 10 to 15 minutes. I think I like to go 15 minutes today because it just feels so nice. Why not, right? So, okie dokie, timer, 15 minutes, and here we go. And so, while I'm doing this, I'm not gonna, have you sit on the screen for 15 minutes, because I know it's Monday. You guys have a lot of work probably starting, if you're anything like me. And so I'm gonna go ahead and spare you of that, but while I'm fixing this, so you can see, okay, some of the challenges that you may have. Okay, let me just slide that under there. Okay, I think that's the best I'm going to get for now. And so, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and play the winner of the Juneteenth giveaway. And remember, this was with Opinionated Horsewoman. Some of you may know her as Stephanie. And there's her picture. And so, I just want to make sure that you guys were subscribed to the both of us. Okay, and liked both of our videos because those were the rules, okay? And so, okay, and after the winner video, I'll go ahead and come back on and let you know about the mask, okay? So, I'll be right back. Okay, my beautiful wildflowers, the moment you all been waiting for. And this is the giveaway from the Juneteenth Collaborative with Stephanie. And I have already copied the link to that specific video onto the clipboard and paste it right here, okay? And then what we're going to do next is we're going to filter duplicate users because everybody has one chance, okay? And to be fair. And then next, what I need to do is I need to add the comments or filter the comments based on a specific text. And that text was Juneteenth. So let me try to get that typed down here with just one hand balancing this. Okay, there we go. Did I spell that right? Yep, Juneteenth. Okay, next we're going to go ahead and scroll down and get the YouTube comments by clicking on this button. And here we go. Let's see how many people follow the rules. Wow, 54 amounts of unique comments. That's pretty good. Okay, so out of that, let's see what we have. Let me see. What is this? Deliver alcohol and more commission-free. Yeah, no. Okay, we don't need that ad. But what we want to do is click on here as far as start. And here we go. Nancy Nettleblatt. Congratulations, Nancy. Okay, next what we need to do is we need to do the next step, which is to make sure Nancy is subscribed to both Stephanie and I because those were the rules. So let's go over to her channel. Okay, and here we go. And we are going to click on channels so we can see all of them on one screen. And let's see, okay, let's start scrolling down and I hope I don't miss anything. And if I do, I just scroll back up again. But let's see, here we go. And okay, let's see how many pages worth I have to go by. So we're looking for both Stephanie and myself. Okay, sorry about the camera being a little shaky. I do this actually, holding it in one hand and try to record any other because I do this part on my cell phone. So, okay, let's see. Scrolling down. I don't think she has a very long list, so let's see. Okay. Oh, wait. Okay, here I am. Okay, so that's one down, and let's go back up and look for Stephanie because I obviously zoomed right past her. Let's see, going up, and okay, here she is. Okay, and Nancy, you have followed the required rules, and so congratulations again on your win. And as you know, we need to go ahead and find out where you want this stuff shipped. So go ahead and reach out to me either on my email or you can on the Instagram. And so I think you're on Instagram. That may be easier for you. But anyway, yeah, congratulations, Nancy. And what I want to do now is go back to my channel real quick while I talk to you about the next giveaway, which is I have reached 700. I have 706 subscribers, but I keep losing them. So here soon, I'm going to go ahead and do the big giveaway, which is the beautiful Wildflower giveaway for 700 subscribers. Okay, congratulations, my beautiful Wildflower. And as I said, I don't know what your name is yet because I've inserted that which was chosen later after I recorded this video, if that makes sense. But anyway, regardless, congratulations on your win. Please do reach out to me. My email is at the very end of the details in the drop down below, or you can reach me in Instagram, and it's Haute.Modesty. Okay, and send me your address so I can send you your goodies. So again, congratulations. And next, let's just finish this out. This mask, I really like it. I like the fact that it does feel hydrating. And you know, a lot of masks say they're hydrating, but they get wet, but they don't leave a hydrating feel, where this one does. And there's still a little bit of jelly, and it does say to rub the rest in. So I'm gonna see if I can pull some of that out. And another thing I like about this is that it's not overly soupy, and I don't know what to think about those that are like the liquid, right? And so look at this. This is more, I'm going to show you. This is more like a cream, you see? You see that? It's more like a cream. And so it's not like a cream. I would say serum, like a serum texture. And it's actually very easy and to absorb. And I really like it. And I'm just going to go ahead and put this all over because why not, right? And then what I'll do now is I'll go ahead and put my eye cream, or my eye serum actually, and I use the ordinary caffeine and ECGC. I just tap it on underneath, and I'll put on my sunscreen, and I'll be ready to go for the day. So okay, my beautiful Wildflowers, I hope you did enjoy this video, and if you did, please do give me a thumbs up. And also, if you have not subscribed yet, please do consider subscribing. And I just noticed that I went a little bit over 700, and it's holding there, and I'm going to get a few more days before I start the huge giveaway. And you guys know I have a medium USPS flat box filled with goodies, okay? Alrighty, my beautiful Wildflowers, I want you to go ahead and have a good day, a good day, yes, good day, a good night, a good week, or weekend, whenever you're watching this. But it doesn't matter, as long as what? Yep, don't sweat the small stuff. I'll see you soon, bye-bye.